Okay, what I got from the video that we watched was that number sense is a necessary tool for math. You can use things like the CGI progression, which is cognitively guided instruction, and you use that to gain a direct model. In that process, the first step is the direct model, which you use to show students why this math problem works this way. So if they have a problem like 6 plus 4, you give them part whole situation right here. And so they can see 6 plus 4. You can split that up by 4, 4, 2. And then when you add those all together, you can get 10. And that works to teach students simple addition. Later, students can count on those facts to understand that 6 plus 4, they can do the grouping in their head without the picture. So they can do 4 plus 4 plus 2 all in their head. And they can count on the direct model without actually using it. Then they will trust that as a fact. They will learn 6 plus 4 equals 10. They'll trust it as a fact, a derived fact. And then they can use these facts of splitting up the numbers to understand a more difficult problem, like 120 plus 84. And they can understand how to split up problems like that in the same way they did in this earlier problem. In this, you use something you know to learn something you don't. We don't see the roots of this knowledge in the later grades, but it's still very important. An important part of number sense is to teach strategy over memorization. We prioritize strategy. We use benchmark numbers, part whole, doubles, all for the students to understand rather than timetables. Number sense is necessary to math, and when you get your number sense, you learn how to be flexible in math, and flexibility is the missing piece to math fluency. Yay.